Hello guys, welcome back. So, did you get the answer? Was it easy to break the argument to undermine the conclusion? Let's check then. There are known cases of children developing strong opposition to drinking water. Liquids are vital for the body, so some parents solve the problem by adding artificial flavoring to the water they give their children to drink. The artificial flavoring has a high sugar content and contains many chemical additives. Since the only other option, and I love when these kind of questions, they make these strong affirmations. Since the only other option is dehydration, so you either give the child give artificial flavoring, water with this artificial chemical flavoring, or they die of dehydration. There is no other option, right? Sometimes even resulting in death. Parents should use the artificial flavoring to prevent this from happening. So guys, what should we do in the alternatives? Is there any other possibility between to avoid children being dehydrated between dying of dehydration and drinking the chemical water or the artificial flavoring water? Is there any possibly any other choice? That's what we need to look for in the alternatives, okay? If we have a viable other option, this is the conclusion I need. This is the alternative I need, because this will break this argument here that we just have two options. Also, this that I did, this pre-thinking without even reading the alternatives, this is a suggestion on how to solve this kind of problems, because you found the flaw, you found the problem here without even looking at the alternatives. So the chances that you are going to be misled, they are smaller, okay? So letter A, soda beverages are often blamed for the tendency of many children to resist drinking water. Yes, but how does it relate to the two options that we have? Soda beverages are often blamed, right? But what up? What can I do with this information? Nothing. So let's go to letter C. Dehydration can be caused by excessive vomiting and may occur as a symptom of a disease. Yes, it may. It may be a symptom. It may be caused by vomiting. But how do we stop dehydration? That's the point. We either drink water with the chemicals or die. These are the two options. So this doesn't really raise a question on these two options. D. The sugar in artificial flavoring is usually created from glucose, a natural source. Oh, okay. So now we just have two options, one with this artificial flavoring and the dehydration. It doesn't answer anything, okay? It doesn't say anything else. Because we need to say that this is not the only other option. And letter E, in warm climates, the chances of dehydration can be lowered by keeping perspiration to a minimum. Yes, keep your child under the air conditioning and there will never be a dehydration. They will never be dehydrated. No, we need to make children drink water. And we need to show that there are other possibilities. Letter E even makes sense in this way. If we say, okay, there are other possibilities, but they were just lowering the dehydration anyway. But letter B answers it perfectly. Water can be made more attractive to children by adding a piece of citrus fruit, so an orange, a lemon, or a fun-shaped ice cube, and then it's more attractive. And then the child drinks water and does not die of dehydration. And it's not the only option, drinking the artificial flavoring or adding the artificial flavoring. So here, letter B presents another option, and this is the correct choice. So did you get it? Was it easy? Difficult? What do you think? Let us know. So follow us on social media. If you want to know more, here are our contacts. And hopefully I'll see you next class so we can discuss a little bit more on these topics and these problems. See you guys. Bye-bye.